In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create vertical text in Affinity Photo, Designer, and Publisher. Whether you're labeling a sidebar, designing a spine, or creating East Asian layouts, vertical text is straightforward once you know where to look. Start by selecting the Text tool. In all three Affinity apps, you'll find it in the toolbar, and you'll see two flavors: the Artistic Text tool for short headlines or labels, and the Frame Text tool for longer passages that need a container. Pick the one that matches your content. If you're placing a quick title or a single word along the edge of a design, Artistic Text is usually fastest. If you need multi-line copy that wraps neatly, use Frame Text so you can resize the box later without distortion. Click once for Artistic Text, or click and drag to draw a text frame. Now type your text. You can enter it directly or paste it from elsewhere. Before moving on, it helps to set your font, size, and color so you can clearly see the changes you're about to make. Sans serif typefaces often read best vertically, but feel free to experiment. If your text looks cramped once it's vertical, remember you can adjust tracking and line spacing later for readability. Next, use text orientation to rotate or stack characters. With the text object selected, look to the Context toolbar at the top. You'll see a control for writing mode or text orientation. Choose the vertical option that suits your design. If you need characters to remain upright as they flow top to bottom, select the setting that keeps them upright. If you want each character to rotate for a more traditional stacked effect, pick the rotation option. This is especially helpful when mixing letters, numbers, and punctuation. If some characters don't look right, try toggling the orientation options for mixed content until everything aligns naturally. Small tweaks to character spacing can make a big difference here. Finally, rotate the text box 90 degrees if needed. This is useful when you want horizontal text styles but a vertical placement. With the text object selected, hover near a corner to reveal the rotation handle, then drag while holding Shift to snap to 15-degree increments until you hit 90 degrees. Prefer precision? Open the Transform panel and type 90 in the rotation field. Snapping helps keep alignment clean along edges, grids, or margins. And that's it. Select the Text tool, type your text, set the orientation to vertical or stacked, and rotate the text box 90 degrees when that suits the layout better. With these options, you can create clean, readable vertical text across Affinity Photo, Designer, and Publisher in just a few clicks.